Well, pressure mounts for the retired Supreme Court Judge Justice A.K. Ganguly after the Apex Court indicted him for, and I quote, unwelcome behavior, unquote, and conduct of sexual nature towards a woman law intern. Though the panel said that no further follow-up action is required, by Justice Ganguly had demitted office on the date of incident that happened on 24th of December last year.
In fact, West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has also joined in calls for Ganguly to step down from his post as the head of the West Bengal Human Rights Commission. We've heard from her party members earlier, but now here's a statement she released last night, and I'll quote from that. Today, I have already addressed a letter to the Honourable President of India for taking appropriate action urgently for the grave misconduct committed by retired Justice A.K. Ganguly. Strong action is essential at this moment to enable people to repose trust and faith to the sanctity of the high office that he holds.
I think that the people of our country look upon the Supreme Court, the highest judicial body, as possibly the only place where we have the hope for justice. And when the panel itself finds credence in the allegations made by the intern, one expects that justice will be done even in this case. For the fact that the Supreme Court, which dispenses justice, for it to ignore injustice within its own premises is not something that any Indian would be comfortable with. I am glad there is at least an afterthought, and though after the Vishaka guidelines one presumed that the Supreme Court would have had its panel set in place, but even now that the panel has found misconduct, I feel that appropriate action needs to be taken.
The accusation of wrong behavior, to put it mildly, is the same whether you are serving, whether you are in service or job, or you are a retired person. The accusation doesn't change, first. Secondly, we always expect people to show a certain high moral ground from those who occupy high, or who have occupied high offices. I do feel that if a person occupying such a high office, even if he feels he didn't do the wrong thing, steps down, he increases his moral stature than reducing it.
I'm a little disappointed because the institution which has found that sexual overtures were made with respect to a woman and that her dignity was prima facie violated ought to have taken the matter forward. Having, given a prima facie finding, they've brushed it under the carpet and in a sense said that we have nothing to do with the matter because he is no longer a judge. Well, if he was no longer a judge, then they should have not set up an inquiry. And having come to a conclusion, they cannot give that reason and say we won't take it forward. I was hoping that they would take the matter on the judicial side and treat this matter like they treat the matter of any ordinary citizen. After all, those who are infallible are also ordinary mortals. And if they are found to have violated especially a court which always protects the dignity of individuals, especially of women, should not be seen to be wanting as they are in this case.
Listen, if you feel strongly, some member of the press, go and file an FIR if you think so. Why don't you have the courage to do it?
So, but
I am sorry, either the law will take its own course. The law gives every citizen a right to go and complain. Go and complain.
NCW अपनी जगह है, दिल्ली पुलिस अपनी जगह है, और अगर दिल्ली पुलिस कार्रवाई कर रही है, हमारा तो यही है कि ऐसे लोगों पे कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए. अगर पुलिस कार्रवाई कर रही है तो हम लोग के यहाँ बहुत वेलकम है.
और अगर आप गिल्टी हैं तो आपको जवाबदेह होना पड़ेगा, तो वो होना चाहिए. अब वो इस्तीफा दें या ना दें, इट्स अ क्वेश्चन उनके, अब ये प्रश्न है उनके मॉरल स्टैंड के बारे में, और मैं भी ये सोचूंगा कि उन पर निर्भर है कि वह क्या उदाहरण देना चाहते हैं समाज को.